We're learning more about the timeline and the response to the chemical fire at the biolab in Rockdale County a couple of months ago. The fire created a massive plume of smoke, chemical smoke, forcing 17,000 people to evacuate. Businesses shut down for days, and the U.S. Chemical Safety Board has now released its investigation report. It's shedding new light on what actually happened that day. Let's get out there to 11 Alive Teresa Bowles. She's live right now at the lab with the details on how the community is reacting. So, Teresa, what did you learn today?
Well, Ron, I found out that BioLab called a permanent watch fire staff after smelling odors months before the recent fire on September 29th. The CSB spokesperson calls the whole ordeal unacceptable. A tire technician knows a thing or two about patching holes when it comes to the massive fire at BioLab minutes away from Ronnie Ray Stewart's shop.
The plume itself, different colors, yellow, blue, reds.
An investigation by the U.S. Chemical Safety Board is also filling in the blanks. Its report shows a BioLab employee heard a pop around 5 in the morning on September 29th. They noticed the product was wet, called another employee, then tried to isolate the product. They called 911 when smoke started rising 10 minutes later.
Burning sensation in your eyes, the running nose, the coughing.
The investigation confirms emergency response arrived minutes later. However, there appear to be gaps in communication. Conyers wasn't told to shelter in place until over an hour after flames were visible.
They were trying their best, but with the lateness, that is a lot of negligence.
Investigators found at least 3 chemicals behind the plumes. In the air, chlorine and hydrogen chloride. Both were detected at concentrations above their respective levels, with the highest amounts over the next 3 nights.
We were really concerned with what we were inhaling.
A spokesperson for BioLab says in part, quote, BioLab has a strong track record of working constructively with regulatory agencies and will continue to cooperate with the CSB's investigation. While CSB works to find the cause of the fire, some residents still hope something else replaces BioLab's empty lot.
It would be foolish to just continue to want to do this type of business right there.